making waffles for breakfast this morning. It's been a while since I made waffles because my waffle maker got broken a few months ago. So I ended up getting this one from Walmart the other day. The other one, what happened was it was on top of the refrigerator or either the shelf in the laundry room. That's where I keep my Instant Pot and different things like that usually on that shelf beside that refrigerator. Well, Jake I can't even remember what he was doing now. It's been a while back. He was doing something and accidentally knocked off the waffle maker and it broke. So yeah, I had to get another one. I just got this cheap Barberware one from Walmart. I think it was like $20 or $25. Let's see if this is ready. So I'm just using the Hungry Jack pancake mix. All you have to do is add an egg and a little bit of oil to turn it into waffle mix. And I like to remove ours just before it says that they're ready. We like for ours to be soft and fluffy instead of, you know, crispy on the outside. Well, they're kind of crispy on the outside, but really fluffy on the inside. I like to remove them just before, like maybe 20 seconds before the light says that they're ready. So I just open up and check, and when they're the right color that I know we like them, that's when I remove them. They'll be really fluffy.
First farm of the day. I think we got about 6 or 7 here. We got our second farm here.
Well, something was here last night. Some damage has been done. Why? You two didn't do your job. You did not do your job very well at all. Something like got in here and ate all the tops of my tomato plants off. What were y'all doing? Sleeping on the job? Things aren't looking good out here, y'all. The pumpkins, they're starting to like shrivel up. They're getting plenty of water because we get rain, you know, like crazy. I mean, you can tell by the leaves that it's not a water situation. Everything's looking good, but they're shriveling up. See that one? And it might be because of the way that it was laying. These over here are still looking good. We've got one here. Let me go ahead and get that off there. That one down there is still looking good. There are a few more throughout here, but I don't know, like that one's looking shriveled up. I'm just not sure. We've got some okra that's ready, so I'll go ahead and pick that. Yeah, something came and just ate like all those tops off of those tomato plants. This one especially, it's bent over. Like it's like something pulled this entire tomato plant over there. We got the last of the zucchini the other day, and so we've already pulled it from the garden to give the pumpkins more room, but now I'm worried about his pumpkins because they're starting to shrivel up. Maybe it was just those two because the other ones over there look pretty good. We'll see. I don't know. Whatever was here last night that broke this tomato plant also kind of smushed this pumpkin one here. Broke this. I set up the trail cam the other night down at the shed so we could see if that bear that my neighbor saw was coming down here, but we can't find the little cord to hook the trail cam up to the computer to see what was on it. And my bell pepper plant. What type of creature? And you two, I'm ashamed of you. Maybe this will still be fine. I don't know. I don't think it's broken. It's just bent. Whatever it was likes spicy food because it ate all my habanero peppers except for 4, and there were a lot of them on here because I was leaving them. I haven't picked them in several days because I wanted to see if they would turn orange, because we haven't had any to turn orange. They get big, they get about this big, see these back here? And then they just start shriveling up, kind of like the pumpkins are doing. But yeah, something ate all those peppers too. There are only 4 left on here, and there were probably 15 or 20. I'm pretty sure that it ate some of the Hungarian hot wax peppers too, because I should have had more on there than that. We usually pick about 10 of those when I come out to pick them, and I only got 4 today. Yeah, just 4. Any green beans? I see a few.
Can you do that tickly thing again?
Yeah, we'll do the tickly thing. It's haircut time. Manny, he's the only one who has ever absolutely loved haircuts. He really loves them. Uh-oh, we got the guineas going now. Where are you going? Ooh, this one's about sharks.
No, those are just baby sharks.
Oh, it's just babies? Okay.
Not big sharks.
It's tickly.
Am I done?
Good job. You're done with that part. Still got to do a little bit more with the other stuff. All done. Good job. Jonah's before. Oh yeah. After.
All right, everybody, this is the 3rd farm today. I just got this black horse done. Tyler did the white horse. Now he's putting some hoof dressing on. He's getting that hoof dressing on, and then we're fixing to head on to farm number 4. All right, this is the 4th farm. We just got all these done that we had to do. We go on to the next. All right, I don't even know what number this is. We're fixing to go out here and catch them. You can see they out there somewhere over in that area right there. We're gonna run out there and catch them right quick and see if we can get them done. We got 2 more farms after this, and we'll be finished today. Very relaxing sound. I've always enjoyed hearing them eat all my life. All right, everybody, we got them done. We heading get us something to eat. We're about 1 hour and 15 minutes from home. We're just gonna stop tonight and get us something uptown. Get ready to do it again tomorrow.
Another quick and easy one for supper tonight, y'all. Hot dogs and chips and salads, or just some, I think I'm just gonna slice up some cucumbers and carrots and stuff. Titus and Tyler are gonna be working late, so they'll be eating supper somewhere out tonight. Those guineas are something else, y'all, I'm telling you. I've got these hot dog buns, the split top, so it's gonna be kind of hard to toast them on here, but I am gonna warm them up just a little bit. We'll just, kind of toast the tops of them, because the buns are always better if they're toasted.
It starts to look like fall here.